Assembly is quite simple. Attention! Planetary gear mounted with direction. The raised side is facing up. Otherwise, it will affect the rotation. Next, install the planetary carrier. After the installation is completed, you need to check whether the rotation is smooth. Install each planetary carrier in turn. Friends who like my video, remember to follow it with 1 click and 3 consecutive. This little toy doesn't need any screw bearings at all. Consumables need about 100 grams. PET printing is recommended. Gears are smoother and more durable. Put in the drive shaft. Put in all levels of planetary gear sets in turn. Oops, why can't it fit in? It turned out that the support in the middle was forgotten to be removed. Press in rotary handle with hexagonal hole. Finally install the end cap. When it was first assembled, because there are printing burrs, it will be a little bit laggy. This is the state after the running in is completed. It rotates very easily, effortless. It is important to note that this device cannot be used upside down, otherwise it will be difficult to turn. It should be very silky when turning.